Hi everyone, Danielle here. I am going to be building a simple life counter or any type of counter really for board gaming. I have a 3D printer. I currently am printing on the Bamboo A1 Mini, Bamboo Labs. And so these are all of the parts that I printed. And so I thought I would make a video of me putting it together. So I'm going to need these two pieces, this bigger one, and then one of the numbers. And I'll show you how it looks on the other side. You'll see there's kind of like some slots behind it, which will kind of fit into each of these little, I don't know what you call those. I'm not very technical, but you just basically put them this way. Just snap it in. And then just continue going all around until it's all the way around. Okay, so it's not going to be completely stiff like that. So you will have to hold it in place. And then you're going to put this outer ring on it. That's what will keep it in place. So you're just going to put that here on one side, getting all of the sides in there. Okay. And then we have the one on top. That'll also go on the other side, like that. So now essentially we have this kind of multi-sided section that should fit in each of these rings. Okay. It's not perfect right now. Let me see if I could do that better. All right, got it on. Now it stays, and I literally had to do the same thing to the other one. Pull these two pieces, and we'll carefully put them together. Roll it around, just like that. And put it together. Put the outer casing on. This is the trickiest part, just to get all the sides encased. All right, so we have both of these. So these are the numbers. And next, we have these pieces. And so we're going to place one here. You can see there's like a square to it. So we're just going to put the square inside, just like that. Then we're going to slide in one of these. Okay. And then we'll add in this one. And actually, do I need to add one of these? Yes. Do that. Then we'll add the second one. It's coming together already. And then it'll look just like that. Then we'll just slide this into the encasing. I'm trying to orient this in a way that makes sense. Is this the right way to go about it? I think so. All right, I'm just gonna have to like stretch it a little bit. There we go. Okay, so we just had to move the numbers like this. So this would be like 0, 0. It'll be the middle number. So some of the numbers will be visible, which I think personally is helpful because you want to know which direction to turn it. This would be like 2 health. If you want to just do 9 health, it'll look like that. But yeah, a very simple 3D printed counter. I didn't need any additional tools. And yeah, built it in about 5 minutes. You could probably do it a lot faster. This could go up to 99, so 0 to 99. If you need something more than that, I'm sure there's a print available for that too. But yeah, that was a really quick kind of a building session for this life counter or any type of counter you need. And you could just put this on your desk if you needed to count. Or I'm just probably, if I use it in my playthroughs, I'll be placing it like this. And again, the middle number would be the number that you look at. All right. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you're interested in more 3D printing content related to board gaming, let me know. I'd be happy to make more. There'll probably be some more soon, although not as frequent as my board gaming videos. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye.